I wasn't part of the email train for the tip blitz, but let me jump in. So let's say you wanted to drill that hole. I'm not going to drill it, but I'll show you a quick setup. How would you end up holding that? Well, here's a little device I just cobbled up real quick. I'll take it apart. So it goes in the vise right there. Tighten the jack screw. And then the nut. Give it a tighten. And there it is. Held nice and secure. Pretty simple build, like I said, out of scrap. 3/8 rod, piece of 1/4 inch. Just something I had that had a through hole on it and a thumb screw. Real simple build. Okay, thought I'd share it with you guys. Lots of great tips out there.